Is this all of them?
Yes, second sister.
We seek a dangerous fugitive. This is no common anarchist, but a devotee of the treasonous Jedi Order. Failure to turn over this traitor will result in a charge of sedition. Turn yourself in, or everyone present shall face summary execution.
I think it's time someone came forward. I've been working on this heap a long time. Way before the war. We refit and rebuilt ships. Best in the galaxy. Then came the Empire. And engineers became scrappers. The workers, they just started getting worked.
Bro.
We all know the truth. We're just too afraid to say it. To the Empire, we're all just expendable.
Yes, you are.
No!
Look at this, a lightsaber.
I found the Jedi!
Checking out the disturbance.
Oh, that hurts.
Hold it! Don't move! How'd you get here?
Easy now.
Got a stowaway.
Hey, you don't need to call this in.
Hope you're ready. Hear that over the comm? Jedi? Stay sharp. They won't get past us. The traitor! Blast them! Get loose! Contact confirmed. Shoot to kill. We're alone now, Jedi. Take that! Assault them! I've sealed the cargo door.
One way out. Gotta keep moving.
I chose to rest instead. That's how I prepare. That's how you prepare for death. Rest when you're dead, Stormtrooper. I heard something. You confirm? I'll take him down. On mission. Someone else take him down! Oh no! Oh no, no, no! No! Spot on. Stay back. Just stay back. he's this way, I'm ready for him.
You sure? You don't seem ready.
Enemy located. Don't let him escape. Can't hit him. Yeah, got him. Fine, the last one.
Get to the front. Stop the train. Oh no! Need cover. Gotta move in between bursts. Now. Faster!
He's here. I'm ready for your trip.
He shot the coupling out. Get down! Ah! Ah!
Hold on for your dear life, bro.
Whoa! This is bad! Only way is up.
We're here to help!
Who are you?
No time! Keep moving! We'll pick you up when we can!
What the? What?
I'm done with this one.
What now? The train stopped? No, this can't be good. Whoa!
Drop down! Hold on!
Going somewhere. I recognize that star. Perhaps you've had some training after all. Who was your master, Padawan? Someone I killed, perhaps? What Jedi gave their life so that you might live? Amateur. Better than I thought. Very well. You won't dodge the net. So afraid, aren't you?
Get on board!
zip.
Okay, shut that thing off and grab some seat.
Thanks for the help.